Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPad 8th generation 2020 10.2 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad 2020, make sure to hit the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular pickers and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling. There are flex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touchscreen, take the direction like opening a book but from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD screen. Next, take off the LCD screen by undoing screws. There are sticky tapes covering the screw heads. Move aside and remove 4 screws. Next, lift the screen to 90 degrees by the top and disconnect the plug by undoing 3 screws and the shield. In this particular device, the shield is missing, but your device should have it. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors by the socket, and then peel the tape and raise the tab to take out the Touch ID connector plug. Now the touchscreen unit can leave from the body. Next, undo the screw on top of the battery connector, and then to take out the battery, it needs some more heating on the battery side. Again, we are using the heating pad, but on the rear side where the battery locates. Next, using a pry tool, gently cut the adhesive and raise the board by the top. And then slide in a pry tool and keep it steady till it takes out the battery. By doing this, we can create enough space to pull out the battery. Next, use a couple of pry tools to lift the battery. Be gentle and raise the battery slowly while cutting the glue. The bottom of the battery connector, the sticky can be a little strong. Be careful and slowly cut the adhesive to blow out the battery using a pry tool. There is no connector plug and the battery pins are touching the logic board pins. Next, place the new battery with adhesive and take out the supporting pry tool on the board. Next, slightly push the logic board to sit securely in the body. Next, add the screw on top of the battery connector. Finally, start adding front screens. First, connect both touchscreen connectors and then the Touch ID flex. Next, plug the LCD connector and add the shield by inserting screws. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and ensure the screen sits securely. And then insert 4 screws on all 4 corners by the screen. Next, to clamp up the iPad 2020, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided pre-cut adhesives. Take the closing book direction and place the digitizer on the body. Place the bottom section first, then follow the top, and then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides and verify that the home button sits and clicks precisely. Here we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.